corn could be making the summer heat feel even hotter for millions of Americans. Corn sweats just like we do, and when it does, it causes the humidity around it to spike. It's a phenomenon called corn sweat. Fox multimedia reporter Asher Red is in a cornfield in Bell Buckle, Tennessee, where farmers are learning to adapt to the added humidity.
Corn has very broad leaves, and just like any other plant, corn sucks up water through its roots, and some of that water is released through small pores on the leaf called stomata. The U.S. Geological Survey says a single acre of corn can release anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 gallons of water into the air every day, which could raise the dew point in the area by about 5 to 10 degrees. And the hotter it is, the more plants will transpire. The transpired moisture will then evaporate off the plant's leaves to cool it down, just like how sweat evaporates off human skin. Farmers say it could be detrimental to their harvest if corn didn't sweat.
The heat in some years will damage the corn, and we get excessive heat, then the pollen can be killed with anything over 97 degrees.
The U.S. Department of Agriculture estimates the U.S. has more than 95 million acres of corn. Most of it's concentrated to a handful of Midwestern states known as the Corn Belt. In Iowa, the National Weather Service says corn pumps up to 56 billion gallons of water into the air every day, enough to fill nearly 85,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools.
When you get thousands of acres of corn in one concentrated area, it can probably change humidity levels pretty locally. And it's just a natural process to try to cool itself off, the same way you and I would sweat when we overheat.
Farmers say corn sweat isn't enough to shift global climate patterns, but they do say it could cause the heat index to rise just enough to make folks around it overheat easier. In Bell Buckle, Tennessee, Asher Red, Fox News.